Namaste. Winter is about to go and today's special recipe is carrot halwa. The ingredients used in this video are at the end of the video and also available in the description box. So without wasting any more time, let's start. Welcome to Little Chef's Hut Kitchen. For this healthy and ethnic recipe, we have used 1 cup of clarified butter and added it gradually as and when needed. So first of all, I have taken a heavy bottom wok and added 2 tablespoons of clarified butter in it. And now I am going to add 1 kg of grated carrots. And also use mashed and boiled carrots, but I have used here grated carrots as it gives a very nice texture. So add all the carrots in the clarified butter in a heavy bottom wok and start roasting it. Just roast it for 10 minutes and after 10 minutes you will get the result like this. Now cover it and again cook for some more time. You have to stir it continuously as and when you need it and cook it until the carrot is done. Before adding other ingredients, make sure that the carrot must be fully cooked. So cover and cook until it's completely done. The carrot is completely cooked now, so I am going to add 120 grams or 1 cup of sugar in it. Now again mix it well until the sugar is completely dissolved. You can also add sugar at the end of the cooking process if you want a very shiny and nice color in the halwa. Then skip this step and add sugar at the end of the cooking. See, as the carrot is very hot, so the sugar gets dissolved in it very quickly. Now it's time to add milk. I am using 2 cups of full fat milk. You can also use 1 cup of cream or 1 cup of mawa if it is available with you, or you can also use milk powder. Here I am using milk powder, so I have added 1 cup of milk powder in it and stir it properly. Make sure that the milk you are going to use should be at room temperature. If it's a hot milk or if it's a lukewarm milk, it's very difficult for you to dissolve the milk powder in it properly. Make sure before adding that there should be no lumps in it. Now add this paste to the carrot and stir it continuously. You have to stir it continuously. Now again mix the milk with the carrot properly and we have to cook the carrot with the milk and milk powder again for a few more minutes. So mix it well and cover it and cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see the amount of the milk is getting reduced and you can also see the clarified butter on the top of the halwa. So mix it again and now it's time to add dried fruits. I have used raisins, chopped almonds and a few of the chopped cashew nuts. You can use any of the dry fruits available with you or as per your choice. Mix it well and again we have to cook it with the carrot halwa, so cover it and cook it for about 10 minutes more. It's time to roast the halwa, so continue to roast it until the desired consistency, as I have seen that the amount of the clarified butter present in it is not sufficient. So I have added a few more spoons of clarified butter in it. Overall, I have used 1 cup of clarified butter or ghee in this halwa. So add the desired amount of clarified butter and continue to roast it till it is done. Before getting it off from the flame, I have put half teaspoon of cardamom powder. It's completely optional. If you didn't want to add cardamom powder, you can skip it, but I recommend to add this. Now it's time to plate it. For serving, I have used this option. You can serve it this ethnic and healthy recipe to your guests as per your desire. So it's a time to say bye, but before saying that, I would like to request you to do join us in our Hindi channel, that is Craftistic Rose World. And if you like this simple and delicious dessert recipe, don't forget to like this video, comment in this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe this channel. So it's time to say bye. Bye bye. Happy cooking.